lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. To my new and old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my vegetable noodles. This is a very easy and simple recipe. So guys, stay tuned and let's get started. For the ingredients, I will be using eggs, broccoli, and mixed vegetables. Here we have chopped onions, fresh pepper, ginger and garlic paste. Mixed bell pepper. Here we have the green and the red bell pepper. I will be using 2 packets of noodles. Noodles, seasonings and coconut oil. You can as well use any vegetable oil of your choice. So next, to begin, in a pot of boiling water, add in your noodles and parboil for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes now, stir and pour out in a sieve. Wash with cold water to avoid sticking together, okay? Once that is done, set it aside. Next, in a heated pan or pot, add some coconut oil and allow to heat up. Once that is done, add in your chopped onions and saute for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, go ahead and add in your eggs and fry. Once it is done, take it out. If you have watched up to this point, it means you like our recipes. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger.
In the same frying pan, add a little vegetable oil and allow to heat up. Then go ahead and add in the mixed vegetable and stir for 60 seconds.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And they put call we active.
1 minute now, add the red bell peppers. Stir.
As long as it goes belly, you know who to call.
Season it up with some fresh pepper, adjust to your taste.
Don't need to bother yourself, my brother.
Ginger and garlic paste.
Always a solution, looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with.
Add the noodles seasonings and stir very well to combine for about a minute.
Kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you.
After that, add in the noodles. I added my already cooked broccoli and stir. And topped it up with the fried egg. I adjusted with some seasonings, then mix together to combine. Cover the pot and let it simmer for like a minute, and be mindful not to overcook the veggies. Some minutes now, we are checking on the pot. Take off the cover and stir once more, and our delicious vegetable noodles is ready. The aroma from this pot is nose binding and the taste is heavenly.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger. You go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution.
This is a very healthy way of cooking noodles, and trust me, you will always ask for more when you taste this, okay? Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one and remain blessed. Bye.
As long as it concern food, oh, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow.